So welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you are doing extremely well, and welcome to yet another practice problem of the linked list series. So we are going to deal with the problem partition linked list, which is the famous problem of lead code. The problem is actually very simple. You have been given a linked list. This is your head, obviously, and you have been given a value. Suppose your value is given to be 3. Now, just I want is that all the values of the nodes which are less than 3, should appear first, and which are greater than equals to 3 should appear after them. And suppose there are y elements here, there are x elements here, then these x elements should have preserved their order, right? Suppose the value is 3, what are the values that will come in the first half? So it is 1 2 2, 1 2 2, and they are occurring in the fashion 1 then 2 then 2. They should occur in the fashion 1 then 2 then 2 in the first part of the linked list. The other three are 4 3 5, 4 3 5. They should also appear in the same order. They cannot appear in the order 3 4 5. They will have to appear in the order 4 3 5 only. How will you solve it? So those of you who have followed my linked list series, you must have come across the video of odd even segregation. The problem is exactly similar to that, but in this case the condition was percentile equals to 200 or not, right? But here the condition will be less than value or not. The same problem, only this condition which is the code will remain same, the approach will remain same, the conclusion, the intuition, sub kuch will remain same. How will you solve it? Let's just solve it taking reference from that. So in that I created a dummy node. So you will create a dummy node. This is my dummy node. You will mention it as a. You will keep a temp pointer here. Now for the traversal, what will you do? You will compare the value. So if temp value is less than the given value, if the value of the node is given less than the given value, add it to the linked list. So 1, moving temp here and a here, and this connection is being cut off, right? What will you do now? You see 4. In the else case, what will you do? In the else case, that is temp value is greater than equals to value. So in the odd even linked list also, we made 2 linked lists, one for odd contents and one for even contents. So you will create two nodes here also. So let's say dummy 2 is -1 and it is a b here. So here will be attach to dummy 1. Let us name it as dummy 1 only, and attach to dummy 2. For those of you who are new here and do not know how to attach, so there are series 4 steps. We have conquered them very thoroughly. That is a next equals to temp, a equals to a next, temp equals to temp next, and a next equals to null. These are the 4 steps. What does it do? So as in here, a was here, a connected itself to temp moved forward, that is temp came to 4, and then this connection was breaked off. This connection which was mentioned earlier, right? This connection was rubbed off. That is as simple as that. So what will happen now? In the temp value is greater than equals to 4, so 4 will get added here and b will be here. Again the connection will be rubbed off. Again my temp is here now. Again it will get attached to 3 because this is greater than equals to the 3 value. So 3, right? Temp is here now. 2, it will get attached here. So 2 here, a here, temp is here now. And these connections are getting rubbed off, okay? So don't worry about them. 5, again to the second linked list. 5 comes here and temp moves forward. This connection is already broken off now. 2 will come here and temp will come here and temp becomes null. So my first traversal becomes null. What are the linked lists I have in hand? So it is -1 connected with 1 2 2, -1 connected with 4 3 5. What is the answer linked list I want? So my answer linked list, because of the value 3, will look something like this: 1 connected to 2, connected to 2, connected to 4, connected to 3, connected to 5. That is first this part of the linked list, then this part of the linked list. As simple as that. So as I want this part of the linked list, I will remove this dummy 2 node. What will I say? I will say head 2 equals to dummy next. After that, delete your dummy 2. It is dummy 2, right? Delete dummy 2. This node has been deleted now, and as simple as that. Now I have a reference to this node because my A is here, this node is present here, and as you can see I have to connect this node with this head 2. So I will say in the next step, A's next is gonna be head 2. So my new linked list is looking something like this: -1 connected to 1, connected to 2, connected to 2, connected to 4, connected to 3, connected to 5, right? And here it is my dummy 1, right? Here is my A, here is my head 2. Now I just want to delete this node, so what will I say? I will say answer equals to dummy 1, answer, so answer equal to dummy 1 next. I can seriously delete dummy 1, so delete dummy 1 and return answer, return answer, as simple as that. So my answer in English is 1 2 2 4 3 5, exactly what I wanted, right? So the problem was actually not actually, it is actually similar, it was actually the same as the odd even linked list. The condition was just changing. The condition was here percentile equals to 2, and here it is temp val is less than val or greater than val. That all. Okay, now let us move to the problem now. So this is my coding section, as you can see. But before starting with the code, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, because it really motivates me and it is really good for me also. So list node dummy 1 initializes new list node with value, let's say -1 only, and similar way dummy 2. So dummy 2 equals to new list node of value -1, right? And now make two pointers to those. So list node star A equals to dummy 1, star B equals to dummy 2, and star temp equals to head for the traversal. Now just traverse. So while temp is not null, what will you do? Two cases: if temp value is less than given x, in that case it will get attached to the first linked list. So A is next is gonna be temp, A equals to A next, A temp equals to temp next, and A next equals to null. A next equals to null. In the else case, do that for B. So I will just copy the four statements down and I will replace A with B. Here it will be a B, 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 and here it will be a B. Okay, I've got two linked lists, and now just in the second linked list, that is a dummy 2 linked list, I have to delete dummy 2. So list node star head 2 equals to dummy 2 next. Safely delete your dummy 2. A next is gonna be head 2, joining the two linked lists we formed. And now just delete the first node of the that is a dummy 1, because the second node is my head of the answer linked list. So list node star answer equals to dummy 1 next. Delete the dummy 1 and return the answer. Return your answer, because that is gonna be correct. Let us try to compile and run it. It will run actually very fine. Okay, it is getting accepted for the sample test cases. Let us try it for the submit test cases as well. Okay, it is getting accepted, and that too with 100% beating complexity. So thank you, have a nice day, and we meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and keep coding, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.